Greetings, my friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. So major changes are being made to monthly benefits. These changes will greatly affect millions of Americans across our country. Democrats and Republicans are holding negotiations on whether all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries should receive a $1,400 stimulus check next month. Remember, friends, that I'm here every day to bring you up to date on all of the breaking news in Congress. I know right now can be a very tough time for many. Friends, do me a favor and share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, if you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, stay tuned until the end of this video.
I'm glad to be joined by Senator Stabenow Peters-Carper. So we had a great lunch discussion today. We heard from some of President Biden's staff about what he'll say in the State of the Union, and we're all excited about that. We're going to talk about there's a great deal we've accomplished in a short time with the slimmest of margins. And that makes the State of the Union a good opportunity to remind the American people of how much we've done. We got a lot more to do, but we've got a lot done. And this week, we're going to work to finish another major bipartisan bill that'll help improve one of the most popular and needed government agencies, and that is the Post Office. Thanks to the leadership of Chairman Peters and Senator Portman, we're on the path to passing a long overdue postal reform bill to strengthen mail deliveries, take care of our postal workers, put the Post Office on a path to long-term financial stability. Last night, the vote was overwhelming, 74-20. It shows the strong bipartisan momentum against this bill. And I want to be clear that this bill has enough bipartisan support to become law. It's the product of months of good faith negotiations.
All right, my friends. So there are millions of Americans who use food stamps each month, and they can expect major changes to their benefits this year. According to the USDA, most Americans who receive SNAP benefits will receive emergency allotments from their state this month. The federal government has approved emergency allotments every month since March of 2020. This gives SNAP recipients additional support during the crisis. So in March, millions of SNAP households will receive hundreds of millions of dollars in extra food benefits, in addition to their regular SNAP benefits. Officials have said, we know that many rely on these additional emergency food benefits to get enough healthy food for themselves and their families. We also know that many Americans are still struggling to meet their basic needs and need support during this difficult time. So my friends, it is important to remember that SNAP recipients do not have to take any action to receive these supplemental benefits, as the benefits will be issued directly on their EBT cards. SNAP is the largest federal food assistance program in the United States, with 1 in 7 Americans enrolled. In the light of this crisis, which has exacerbated food insecurity and poverty, SNAP benefits were substantially increased last October under the reevaluation of the USDA's Thrifty Food Plan. Now, I know many of you are wondering how much benefits will be increased to. According to CNN News, if beneficiaries live in the 48 contiguous states and Washington, D.C., families of 4 will receive a maximum of $835. A family of 4 will receive a maximum of $1,074 to $1,667 in the state of Alaska, and a family of 4 will receive a maximum of $1,573 in the state of Hawaii. As of last month, a total of 37 states have enlisted to make their residents eligible for the enhanced SNAP benefits. As part of the emergency allotment program, many people living in those states were able to see food stamp increase as soon as the beginning of this year. Progressive economists have long argued that SNAP benefits need to be greater in order to address the food insecurity crisis in the United States. The crisis, which has wreaked havoc on the economy and flung millions of people into poverty, proved their point, and so underscored the importance of the federal safety net. Even with the long overdue increase, many SNAP recipients are still struggling to get by, and typically through no fault of their own. The majority of working age SNAP recipients have a job, but earn low wages and or work in unstable conditions. This crisis has only made their often precarious positions more fragile and dragged more people into the mix of neediness. So my friends, what are your thoughts on the increase of SNAP benefits for Americans who are financially struggling? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Right now, friends, Congressman Josh Gottheimer recently held a press conference to sound the alarm on the massive IRS backlog of 6 million individual tax returns from last tax season, all as a new tax season is underway. Representative Josh Gottheimer told reporters, "I'm announcing my taxpayer action plan to help fix the issue that led to this backlog at the IRS, get these returns processed for Americans, and then get them their well-deserved taxpayer dollars in their pockets where they belong." Friends, the keyword for this video is Georgia. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. The congressman is also urging the Internal Revenue Service to boost their hiring and training process for the taxpayer advocates, and he wants the heads of the agency to report to Congress within 30 days with a plan on how they will clear the backlog. Right now, nearly 24 million American taxpayers are still waiting for the IRS to process their tax returns from last year, with many refunds being held for nearly 11 months. Delayed IRS refunds and returns are affecting millions of Americans and small businesses. When a tax return is delayed, that might mean a family cannot afford a down payment on a mortgage or apply for a student loan. Many experts have been warning taxpayers to expect serious delays from the IRS, which recently announced a second surge team to address its massive backlog. The Internal Revenue Service has already redirected roughly 1,200 employees back into entry-level clerical positions, where they are manually filing paperwork and answering phones to shrink the backlog and address taxpayer confusion. Well, my good friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you once again for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching all my videos. Please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword from each video of mine that you watch. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.